Alright, here is the trowel versus the deuce of spades. And as you can see, the deuce of spades is a little bit shorter and the handle is definitely narrower here. But the handle also really digs into your hands when you're trying to dig. Actually on both of them. I do like that this one has a slightly longer handle to it. And I also added duct tape to it as well to make it a little more comfortable to dig. Now, the tape also doubles as anything that needs repaired. So I can pull this tape off of here and use it for any repairs of anything that would happen to break while I'm on the trail. So, yeah, there we go. This is definitely a lot cheaper than this one. You can see this was a $20 trowel.